In my video tutorial, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware called AccessBrowser. AccessBrowser is the adware that attacks Mac computers these days. AccessBrowser adware is from the AdLoad family of computer infections. So it attacks Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers. AccessBrowser adware is spread through integration with many free applications, so in most of the cases users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. Therefore, if it was installed, right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.